how to get spider filter in Snapchat, TikTok, and Instagram. Hey everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So simply launch any of the application, either Snapchat, TikTok, or Instagram. And then if you are using Snapchat, then simply tap on this magnifying glass icon, and then over here you just have to search for spider. Actually, you have to find it in the explored lenses option. Simply search for spider, and then you just have to find that lens. Search for it and you will see several filters. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.